Hi, my name is Vamsi Sisla. In this video, I will cover a few other key components of Azure Cloud Platform. This is video number 2 in the Azure video series. By the end of the video, you'll have a high-level understanding of data management, Windows Azure storage, networking, and management certificates. Data management. Windows Azure provides 3 different ways of storing and handling your data: SQL databases, tables, and blobs. One could run Windows, SQL databases, or any other commercially available databases on Azure. SQL Data Store is platform as a service. Azure will take care of your hardware and versioning needs, whereas you would need to take care of the application logic and application specific activities. Please note that you could also use NoSQL databases such as Mongo or Cassandra. Tables are nothing but NoSQL tables, mainly for big data applications and such. It's your typical key value pair. On the other hand, blobs or unstructured binary storage. It's cheap and primarily used for backups and video storage. Windows Azure Storage is a scalable cloud storage system. One could store using 3 different data abstractions: blobs, tables, and queues. About 3 data abstractions provide overall storage and workflow for many applications. If you need to build your application with disaster recovery plan in place, then Azure storage is very critical and important. Networking. When you run your application on Azure, you will end up running across multiple data centers which are managed by Microsoft across various parts of the world. And if you're a medium or large enterprise, you have your own data centers as well. And the best way for you to use Azure service is using Azure's virtual networks, which is a combination of Azure Cloud and on-premises data centers. And when you're running your application across multiple data centers, Azure provides you with a neat and intelligent way to route your requests and traffic. This is done using Traffic Manager. Virtual networks enable you to create a logically isolated section in Windows Azure and securely connect it to your on-premises data center or a single client machine using IP security connection. Virtual networks makes it easy for you to take advantage of Windows Azure's infrastructure. At the same time, also make use of your on-premises infrastructure and all the applications that are running on-premises. This is the best way for small and medium businesses or even enterprise businesses to take advantage of the cloud services. Using a VPN gateway device, an administrator can set up a virtual private network between your on-premises data center and Azure virtual machines. Traffic Manager. When your application runs across multiple data centers, you have users hitting your application from multiple locations. Then you need to intelligently manage the traffic to avoid performance issues such as response times and so forth. Traffic Manager is used for managing that. Here's an image of a typical virtual network. This part is coming out of Azure infrastructure and this part is coming out of your on-premises network. And both these are connected using a secure network. And your users will not be able to tell whether they are hitting a virtual server or virtual machine in the Azure cloud or your own on-premises network. Management certificates. A Windows Azure Management Certificate is used to authenticate an agent, such as a Visual Studio tools for Windows Azure, or a client application that uses Service Management API. It basically acts on behalf of the subscription owner to manage the subscription resources. These are nothing but the keys. Windows Azure Management Certificates are uploaded to the Azure cloud and stored at the subscription level. And each user can have up to 100 certificates as part of their subscription. You can find out more at this link, which is provided in the presentation. So bringing it all back together, we talked briefly about virtual networks and traffic manager. We also talked about tables, blobs, and SQL databases in this video. We basically covered the top 3 sections. Thank you.